Hey, in this video, I will show you how to unhide photos just like so. I have the option right here. I'll show you how to get the option, how to find your hidden photos. If you cannot see the album, how to unlock it, all of that. So make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. The first thing you want to do is go over to your albums, go over to any photo, and I'll show you how to hide a photo. You want to click on the three dots and click on hide right here, or you actually want to pinch the photo and click hide. That's all you need to do, right? Hold on the photo and click hide. If you cannot find it and you want to unhide it, right? You want to find the hidden photos, you want to go to your albums, scroll all the way down, click on hidden, and here it is. Here's the hidden photo. You hover over it and you have the unhide option. But if you cannot see this album with all your hidden photos, what you want to do is go over to your settings app. There you want to navigate down to photos right here. Please click on photos. Then you want to go down a little bit until you find the show hidden album. Here it is. When it's off, you will not find it. You cannot unhide your photos. When you can, you will find it and you can unhide your photos. If this video helped you out, hit the like button,